Butterworts, scientifically known as pinguicula, are fascinating carnivorous plants that capture and digest insects to supplement their nutrient requirements. If you're intrigued by the world of butterworts and want to learn how to grow and care for them successfully, this video will provide you with a comprehensive guide. From selecting the right species to creating optimal growing conditions, we'll explore the essential steps to ensure your butterworts thrive. Choosing the right butterwort species. There are numerous species and hybrids of butterworts available, each with its own growth requirements and unique characteristics. Research and select the species that align with your preferences and growing conditions. Providing the ideal growing environment. Butterworts thrive in bright, indirect light. Place them near a window with filtered sunlight or under artificial grow lights. Maintain a temperature range between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius, during the day and slightly cooler temperatures at night. Selecting the right growing medium. Butterworts prefer well-draining growing mediums with high moisture retention. A mix of sphagnum moss, perlite, and orchid bark or a carnivorous plant-specific soil mix can provide the ideal conditions for their root systems. Watering and humidity. Butterworts enjoy moist but not waterlogged conditions. Water them regularly by keeping the soil damp at all times. Use distilled water, rainwater, or reverse osmosis water to prevent mineral buildup. Maintain a humidity level of around 50 to 60% to create a favorable environment. Feeding the carnivorous appetite. Butterworts supplement their nutrient requirements by trapping and digesting insects. They typically catch small prey like gnats, fruit flies, and aphids. Avoid feeding them large insects that may overwhelm the plant. Allow the plant to capture its own prey, but if necessary, you can provide supplementary feeding occasionally. Avoiding overfeeding. While butterworts rely on insects for nutrition, be cautious not to overfeed them. Overfeeding can lead to stress, rot, or even death. Allow the plant to digest captured insects fully before providing additional prey. Managing dormancy. Most butterwort species go through a winter dormancy period. During this time, they require cooler temperatures, reduced watering, and shorter daylight hours. Mimic winter conditions by providing a resting period of around 2 to 3 months to ensure their long-term health and vigor. Propagation techniques. Butterworts can be propagated through leaf or stem cuttings. Follow proper sterilization techniques and provide the right conditions for successful propagation. Patience is key, as these plants can be slow to establish from cuttings. Growing and caring for butterworts can be a rewarding and enchanting experience. By understanding their unique needs and providing suitable conditions, you can enjoy the beauty and carnivorous nature of these captivating plants. Embrace the wonders of butterwort cultivation and witness their delightful growth in your own home or garden.